Welcome to Nectar Phytochems, an organization dedicated to harnessing nature's best to create high-quality herbal extracts and phytochemicals for healthcare and wellness industries worldwide. Nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas, our state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in Kotdwar, Uttarakhand spans 75,000 square feet. Surrounded by lush greenery, this pollution-free environment provides a serene and healthy workspace, ensuring efficiency and precision in every step of our production. Our fully automated GMP-compliant production facility is equipped with advanced SS304 and SS316 machinery, including rotary and vertical extractors, distillation kettles, falling film evaporators, vacuum dryers, and drum drying systems. The clean room processing area, designed as per the 100K classification, meets stringent FDA requirements. Every batch undergoes rigorous testing in our in-house laboratory equipped with high-end analytical instruments such as HPLC and UV Spectrophotometers. And our finished products goes under rigorous quality parameters like assay purity, microbiology, heavy metals and pesticides, ensuring that each product meets the highest industry standards before reaching our customers. At Nectar Phytochems, we are committed to delivering excellence with certifications such as GMP, ISO, Halal, Kosher, FSSAI, and Organic. We ensure that our products comply with global quality and safety standards. Recognized as a one-star export house by the Government of India, we supply herbal extracts and nutraceuticals to customers across the USA, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Latin America, and Europe. Our head office in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, serves as the hub for all commercial operations. Additionally, the region hosts major industry exhibitions, allowing us to stay updated with the latest advancements and market trends. At Nectar, we are known for our quality, commitments, for excellent services along with competitive pricing.
Nectar Phytochems is known for its quality products, commitments, and timely deliveries, and of course, the trust we build with our clients around the world. We have more than 150 products portfolio, and we are catering more than 24 countries around the world. We have in-house laboratory where we check each and every product before we ship to our client. Apart from this, we also use the third-party laboratory like Eurofins and SGS India to ensure the quality it reaches before the customer. In nutshell, the customer satisfaction is our motto.
Beyond business, Nectar Phytochems is deeply committed to social responsibility. By generating employment opportunities, we contribute to the economic growth of local communities. Through innovation, sustainability, and excellence, Nectar Phytochems continues to lead the way in herbal extracts and phytochemicals, bringing nature's benefits to industries across the globe. Nectar Phytochems, inspired by nature, driven by quality.